Albert Einstein was born on the 14th of March 1879 and died on the 18th of April 1955. He was a German-born theoretical physicist. He is best known for developing the theory of relativity. He also made major contributions to quantum theory. His famous equation, E equals mc squared, shows that mass and energy are equivalent. He won the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for explaining the photoelectric effect. Einstein was born in the German Empire. He moved to Switzerland in 1895 and gave up his German citizenship. At age 17, he studied mathematics and physics in Zurich. He graduated in 1900 and became a Swiss citizen in 1901. He worked at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. In 1905, he earned a PhD from the University of Zurich. In 1914, he moved to Berlin to work with major scientific institutions. He became director of the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physics in 1917. He regained German citizenship during this period. In 1933, Adolf Hitler came to power while Einstein was visiting the United States. Due to Nazi persecution of Jews, Einstein chose to stay in the US. He became an American citizen in 1940. Before World War II, he warned the US government about possible German nuclear weapons research. The year 1905 is called Einstein's miracle year. He published 4 groundbreaking scientific papers in that year. These papers explained the photoelectric effect and Brownian motion. They also introduced special relativity. He showed that mass and energy are interchangeable. In 1915, he proposed the general theory of relativity. This theory explained gravity as the curvature of space and time. His work helped lay the foundation of modern cosmology. He introduced the concept of the cosmological constant. In 1917, Einstein explained spontaneous and stimulated emission. This work later led to the invention of lasers and masers. He made important contributions to statistical mechanics. He helped develop Bose-Einstein statistics with Satyendra Nath Bose. He supported the idea that light is made of particles called photons. In his later years, Einstein opposed randomness in quantum theory. He famously said that God does not play dice. He tried to create a unified field theory combining gravity and electromagnetism. This effort was unsuccessful. Because of this, he became less connected with mainstream physics later in life.